Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a special smoothie recipe designed to help boost sperm health. A healthy diet plays a crucial role in fertility, and this recipe tip is packed with nutrients that support sperm quality and overall reproductive health. Let's dive into it. So first, we have a banana, which is rich in potassium and vitamin B6, great for hormone production. Then we have avocado, which contains folate and vitamin E, both beneficial for fertility. Pumpkin seeds are a powerhouse of zinc and omega-3s, which help improve sperm motility. Chia seeds are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, perfect for boosting sperm quality. Spinach adds a good dose of folic acid, which is essential for healthy sperm production. Greek yogurt provides protein and probiotics, both important for a healthy reproductive system. Honey, rich in antioxidants, adds a natural sweetness. And finally, almond milk and a touch of maca powder, which has long been used to support fertility. To make this smoothie, put all the ingredients together. Start by adding the banana, half an avocado, a tablespoon of pumpkin seeds, chia seed, and a handful of spinach, and half a cup of Greek yogurt into your blender. Add a tablespoon of raw honey, 1 cup of almond milk, and half a tablespoon of maca powder. Blend everything until it's smooth and creamy. See how smooth and creamy that looks? It's delicious. You get a nice balance of creaminess from the avocado and yogurt, sweetness from the honey and banana, and the salty earth flavor of the maca powder. This smoothie is not only tasty, but packed with nutrients that can help boost sperm health. If you find this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more health tips and recipes. If you try this smoothie, let me know how you liked it. Stay tuned for my next video. Bye!